welcome to Masarap. Today I'm going to be trying a classic Filipino dish. It's called Bulalo and it can be eaten any time of the year. For our country, England, it's cold at this time of year, so it's a perfect comfort food. It's made from lamb, it can be made from beef. It's a slow cooked food. My wife's cooked this in the pot for I think 3 hours. It's made from lamb shanks, or in our case it's made from oxtail. The beautiful thing about the oxtail is because it's a slow cooked food, the meat, it just falls off the bone and it's absolutely masarap delicious. Alright guys, join me. Cut in. And for an extra spice, it's got the chili. Green finger chili. Delicious. It's about 100,000 Scoville, so it's not overly spicy, but it has a little bit of a kick at the end. It's delicious. Smells amazing. One of the things I love about this dish is you can get all different types of, all different parts of the animal. So you can get the tail, you can get the shanks, you can get the tougher pieces of meat, and because you cook them slowly, the meat just falls off the bone, and it's really super good, super delicious. But in my case, I might just use my fingers. Yeah. See the meat? You can just peel it off. It's delicious. Okay.
Yeah.
Want some more? Oh, do your own. Okay.
Spicy, no?
Not really. Mine's perfect. It warms you up, isn't it? How long does it take to cook? 3 hours? Yes. 4? Wow. Yeah, I really like the sauce. It's like soup, like stew and soup. It's delicious. For a later video, I'm going to try, I think, crispy pata, or maybe even go to Jollibee's because, well, the Jollibee's food's delicious, isn't it? Alright guys, I recommend this food for anyone who likes stews or slow cooked food, and it's a comfort food from the Philippines. It's really flavourful, really spicy, but not too spicy, because you don't have to put extra spice in it. We did, because I like spicy, but it's a real comfort food. I recommend this for everyone. Until next time, it's been Masarap. Ingat ka, take care, bye.